My name is Skywet. If you are watching my video for the first time, like my video and subscribe to this channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I earn good on ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, this is one of my student accounts that got my software and video course and has been earning good also, as you can see on the screen. Yes, affiliate marketing is just selling products for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. And for marketing to take place, there are many things, and there are some things that should be taken with serious hands. And one of it is your marketing strategy, the way you make your buyers know about your product and how you can convince them to buy, and how to get the right buyer. I mean, how to locate the buyer for your product. There are many people online, but how to locate who will actually buy the products you want to sell. Yeah, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I use a software I developed myself. Yes, I'm also a software developer. I developed the software. The software generates targeted organic traffic from Instagram and digital platforms to your affiliate products or your sales page for daily sales. Yes, my software generates targeted traffic online, and it has been helping a lot of people. As you can see, this is one of my students that got my software and video course and has been earning good also. Yes, so to get started and to get my software and video course, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through somebody you can see on the screen to get started and start earning even as a beginner. Yes, as a beginner, you can start earning good on any of your affiliate marketing platform. You can use it on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, any of your affiliate marketing platforms, or ClickBank. Yeah, so to get started, all you need to just do is get the software and video course, and the video course will guide you step by step. And if you need any help, I'm always available. You can always chat me on my Gmail or my Telegram on skywet07@gmail.com, or on Telegram through somebody you can see on the screen. Also, there's room for account management. Maybe you are too busy, or maybe you don't have a computer to start, but you are willing to start. You can subscribe to our account management scheme. It can be weekly, it can be monthly, and we will guarantee you excellent results like the one more than what you can see on the screen. Yes, once again, my name is Skywet, and I teach people on how to make money online. Thank you.